Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Connect. In this video, we are going to learn how to send SMS for cancelled subscription in Pabbly Subscription Billing. Here, my objective is that whenever a subscription will be cancelled in Pabbly Subscription Billing, I want to send an SMS to the customer for whom the subscription is cancelled. So how we are going to automate this entire process? For this, we will have to integrate both these applications, and that we are going to do with the help of an amazing automation and integration software, Pabbly Connect. Now here we have Pabbly Subscription Billing in our trigger and Twilio through which we want to send SMS in our action. We are going to connect both of them by using Pabbly Connect in order to automate this entire process. And to learn this entire automation step by step, let me take you all to my screen. In this video, we are going to learn that how can we automatically send SMS to our customers for the cancelled subscription in Pabbly Subscription Billing. So here my objective is that whenever a subscription will be cancelled in Pabbly Subscription Billing, I want to send an SMS to the customer informing about the same. In order to send the SMS, I am going to use Twilio. So in order to create this automation, we are going to set up a simple integration between Pabbly Subscription Billing and Twilio, which is an amazing automation and integration software. So by using Pabbly Connect, we can integrate multiple applications without any coding or programming skills to automate our process. Now, this is the home page of Pabbly Connect where we can reach directly by tapping pabbly.com/connect, this URL in our browser. Once we will reach on this home page, we can find two options here, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, you can directly click on sign in. But if you are a new user, you have to click on sign up for free button to create your free new account. And also when you will create your account, you will get 100 free tasks every month to explore this amazing software and to test multiple automations. Now, because I am already an existing user, therefore I'm clicking on sign in. This is the all apps section where we can find all the products which are offered by Pabbly. To create this automation, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So let's click on access now. And it has taken us towards the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Now on this dashboard, we can find all of our workflows which we have created, and we can also create folders here to save the workflows. As you can find, I have two folders here. In this test integrations folder, I have saved a lot of workflows. In the same manner, by creating multiple folders, you can save your workflows accordingly on the dashboard. Okay. Now to create a new workflow, we have to click on this create workflow option given on right corner with blue color. So let's do that. And here a dialog box will appear in front of us. It is asking us to provide a name to this workflow. So first of all, let us provide a name over here. Send SMS for Pabbly Subscription Billing cancelled subscription. Now after giving the name, we can also select the folder in which we want to save this workflow. So from the drop down, I'm going to select test integrations folder, and now we will click on create. As we do that, we can find that two windows are open in front of us, trigger and action. What are trigger and actions? Trigger and actions are the two main concepts or the two main principles on which the entire automation runs. Here the trigger says when this happens and the action says do this. That means the action is the response towards our trigger. Whatever we are going to select in our trigger is going to command the entire workflow, and the actions are going to follow that same command. Therefore, we can have only one trigger in any workflow, but we can have multiple actions as we want. Now let's suppose we are going to select Pabbly Subscription Billing in our trigger and Twilio from which we want to send SMS to the customer in our action. And we want that as soon as a subscription will be cancelled in Pabbly Subscription Billing, automatically an SMS should be sent to the customer for whom the subscription is cancelled. Okay, now here we can find that our action is a response towards our trigger, because when the trigger happens, that means when the subscription is cancelled in PSB, then only the SMS is sent, otherwise not. Now, after understanding this concept, let's start creating this workflow step by step. First of all, we will select our trigger application, and that is Pabbly Subscription Billing. So let's select it. The next thing which we have to do is we have to select the trigger event. Now what is trigger event? Trigger event is the event on the happening of which the workflow is going to start. So here we will select subscription cancelled as our trigger event, as we want that as soon as a subscription will be cancelled in PSB, the response should be captured here in Pabbly Connect, and with that response the workflow should get start. Okay. Now as we have done that, the webhook URL is provided to us along with some instructions. So we need to follow these instructions step by step in order to connect Pabbly Subscription Billing account with Pabbly Connect. And for doing that, the webhook URL is going to act as a bridge for sending the data from PSB towards Pabbly Connect. Okay, first of all, let us copy the webhook URL, and then I'm going to tell you what exactly we are supposed to do. So I'm going to take you towards my Pabbly Subscription Billing account, and after coming on the account, here we can find in the left side the settings option. Once again, after coming on settings, here we will find webhook. Let's select it, and multiple webhooks are already present over here for different purposes. Now to add a new webhook, we will click on this add webhook button, and here we need to provide the details. Okay, first of all, we need to provide the name to this webhook. Okay, so here I'm going to give the name as cancelled subscription, And now we are going to move further. So the next thing it is asking us the product. So here I have two products. I'm going to select all products to select both of them. The next is select plan. I have selected all plan over here. And now here in the webhook URL field, we have to paste the URL which we have copied from Pabbly Connect. After doing this is the very important step. Here we need to select the event. Okay. So whatever event we have selected in Pabbly Connect, that is subscription cancelled, the same we have to select over here. So we will go towards subscription segment, and here we can find the option of subscription cancel. Let's select it and done. Now we will simply click on save. And the webhook is added successfully. Let's click on OK, and we will go back towards Pabbly Connect. So as we have done that, here we can find that a test response is already captured over here for Pabbly subscription. Okay, and as we have done that, we can find that a test response is already being captured over here. Now, in order to capture a new response, we will have to click on this recapture webhook button. So let's do that. And here we can find that it is showing waiting for webhook response. This means that we have to do a test submission once again by cancelling a subscription in Pabbly Subscription Billing. So once again, I'm going to take you towards Pabbly Subscription Billing, and we will go towards subscription section. So here I have multiple subscriptions of customers, and now I'm going to cancel one of the subscription over here. So let me cancel the subscription for this customer with the name as dummy customer and this email dummy50@pabblytudes.com. So we will click on this three dots and we will click on cancel subscription, and here we need to provide a reason for cancellation of subscription. So here I'm going to enter, let's say user requested to cancel. Okay, and now we are going to click on cancel immediately button. Let's click on OK, and the subscription is cancelled successfully. So let's go back towards Pabbly Connect, and we can find that as soon as we have cancelled the subscription, Pabbly Subscription Billing, automatically the response of that cancellation is captured over here, along with all the details related to the customer as well as the subscription. Okay, now here are the customer details: first name, last name, email ID along with the customer phone number, and here are all other details. Okay, now after receiving this response, what we are supposed to do here, our objective is to send an SMS to our customer for whom we have cancelled the subscription. And for doing that, here I'm going to use Twilio. Okay, so I'm going to connect Twilio with Pabbly Connect. Let's move towards our action step, and in our action application, here I'm going to search Twilio. And now we are going to select our action event. So in our action event, we will simply select send SMS message. Click on connect. And now we need to select one option in order to build the connection with Twilio account. So here I'm going to select add new connection. And as we have done that, here we need to provide three details: account SID, authorization token, and once again the account SID. So I'm going to take you towards my Twilio account, and here are all the details: account SID as well as the auth token. So first of all, let us copy the account SID, and then I'm going to paste it here in both the fields. Okay, the next is authorization token. Let's copy it and we will paste it once again here. Now in the same manner, you need to find both the details and you have to paste it over here. Let's click on save. And here we can find that our Twilio account is successfully connected with Pabbly Connect. Okay, so we will move further. After building the connection, here we need to enter the details. First of all, the body of the SMS, that what SMS you want to send to your customer. Okay, here I'm going to enter the content of the body as hello. And now because I want to send the SMS to the customer, here I'm going to enter the name of the customer, which we have already received from our earlier response, that is from Pabbly Subscription Billing response. So we will simply map the name over here. Now what is mapping? Mapping is inserting data from previous step. Here our previous step is given and here are all the details related to the step. So we want to map name over here. Let me search name. And it has redirected us towards the name. So we have received the name of the customer in separated field, first name and last name separately. Here I want to map the first name, so I have selected it. Okay. Now when we have mapped this name, it has become dynamic and it is going to change with each and every response. So now whenever a new response will be captured from Pabbly Subscription Billing, automatically the name of the customer will be changed and a new name will come here in this place. Okay. But in case if we will enter it manually, then it will become static and it is not going to change with each and every response. Therefore, in order to automate the entire process, we use mapping. After mapping the name, here I'm going to enter the content. So this is the content. Hello dummy, this is to inform you that your subscription for amount is cancelled. To start the subscription once again, you can connect with us at psp21@gmail.com. Thanks team PSP. Now here in place of amount, once again I'm going to map the amount which we have received from our earlier response. So we will use Pabbly Subscription Billing and here I'm going to search for amount. This is the amount, $399. Now, because we have mapped the name as well as the amount, with this we have customized the message, and now with the help of this we are going to send the same message to each and every customer with different details, that is with different name as well as the different amount. Now after entering the message we will move further. The next thing it is asking us is the sender number. When you will create your Twilio account, you will receive a sender number from Twilio. So this is my number. I will simply copy it and here I am going to paste it. Okay. So this is the sender number, from which number you want to send the message. Okay. The next is the recipient number, on which number you want to send the SMS. Here our objective is to send the SMS to our customers, and we have already received the number of our customer from our earlier response. So we will simply map the phone number over here. And by mapping, we are making it dynamic. Okay, so it is going to change with each and every response. Now because this is a dummy number which we have received in the response, in order to show you a real response of the SMS, I am going to enter my own number over here. And now we are going to click on Save and Send Test Request button. And here we have received the response. Along with the response, we have also received the message which is sent on the number which we have entered here. Let's go and check whether the message is received or not. And yes, we can find that the message is received on the number, "Hello dummy, this is to inform you that your subscription for amount $3.99 is cancelled. To start the subscription once again, you can connect with us. Thanks team PSB." This means that our workflow is perfectly successful. Let's go back towards Pabbly Connect and we will summarize what we have done in the workflow. So we have taken two simple steps over here: trigger and action. In trigger, we have taken Pabbly Subscription Billing, and in action, we have taken Twilio. And we have connected both of them by using Pabbly Connect in such a way that now whenever a subscription will be cancelled in Pabbly Subscription Billing, automatically an SMS will be sent to the customer for whom the subscription is cancelled by using Twilio. Here, in order to send the SMS, I have used Twilio. You can also use any other application over here to send the SMS according to your choice. Now, very easily by following the same steps, you can create this automation in order to automatically send SMS message to your customers for cancellation of their Pabbly Subscription Billing subscription. Okay, this was it in this video. I hope this was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Not only these applications, but you can integrate many other applications by using Pabbly Connect. Now, if you have any doubt, you can directly reach out to us at support@pabbly.com. If you want to ask any query, you can reach out to us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you want to ask any pricing related issue, then you can directly reach out to the website given over here. Now, if you find this video helpful in any way, do not forget to share it with your friends. And also, please like our videos and subscribe our channel to learn more such automations.